In this problem, we were asked to divide one fraction by another fraction. And the first thing we want to remember is that if you're dividing by a fraction, that is actually the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So the first thing we want to do is rewrite this problem using that rule, because then we can just multiply across the numerator and across the denominator. So the reciprocal of the second fraction is 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2x squared. Now we want to factor this new numerator to make it simpler. And so let's leave this as x divided by 2x plus 1 times, and we notice that this is a difference of squares, of perfect squares. So when we factor, we'll have a 2x plus 1 and a 2x minus 1. And that is all divided by 2x squared. Now, since we're multiplying across the numerator and the denominator, we notice that the 2x plus 1 in the numerator and denominator divide to 1. So we are left with x times the quantity 2x minus 1 divided by 2x squared. Notice that this x and this x squared can actually be divided by each other, and so they divide, the top one divides out to 1, and this denominator is left as 2x. Because if you have x divided by x squared, we use our rules of exponents. So we have x to the first divided by x to the second, so we have x to the first minus second, which gives us an x to the negative 1, which is the same as 1 over x. So our final answer will be 2x minus 1 divided by 2x, which is B.